What's up, guys? It's Jimmy back here on the King Shaka channel again. I'm bringing another video to you guys, and today we're gonna do a little something with my truck. As you saw in the last video, I got the wheels and I unboxed them, and so I have a little thing that I want to put on the truck first while I'm still working on the wheels and before I put them on. So let's go get that done. You'll see what it is in a second. Here we go. Alright, here's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be putting this piece right here, this trim piece, on the bottom of my bumper. And if you watched that video from last time with the wheels when I unboxed it, I said I was going for more of like a street profile. So I think this will help. If you didn't watch that video, definitely go check that out. I'll put a link in the description. And you can see what I mean with the wheels, of how I want to go with more of like a street look. But I think that this trim piece will hang low off the bumper a little bit, and it'll give me more of like a low profile, which is exactly what I'm looking for. And I really think this will go well with the wheels once I get them on. So let's go get these on today. It's pretty easy. It's just these clips and bolts, so they shouldn't really be that bad. So let's go get it on. All right, so here we are down by the truck. And like always, I know there's going to be some new people watching this, so if you're new, welcome to the channel. This is my truck right here, basically the basis of this whole channel when I started it and stuff. So this is my 2002 7.3 Powerstroke. It's an F350, and as you can see, it doesn't look like a 7.3 because I swapped it to the 6.4 front clip. And on the inside, it is also an 08 interior, completely except for that gauge cluster, which I'm still working on. But you'll see that this thing looks pretty good. Messing with the seats still a little bit, trying to tune them in a little better with the switches and stuff. But this is my truck. So if you're new, this is what we're covering today. We're gonna be doing this bumper trim piece, and it's just these little bolts, and it should bolt right up to the bottom of the bumper. So let's get that going. Alright, so I'm just going to begin with the first couple, just to get it hanging. Wow, look at that. I didn't even tighten them all the way down yet, but that's looking pretty good and sharp. That's exactly what I want it to look like. If you get down like from this angle, you can see once I get those 20 by 12s that this thing's gonna look good, and that'll just set it up with a nice profile, I think. So let's get the rest tightened down and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Even from here, this angle, I really like that trim piece. I'm glad I did this today. Now that I got it all tightened up and there's no slack or anything, it looks good. This thing's gonna look awesome once I get those wheels on. And this is just gonna add to it even more. Let me know what you guys think, if you like this trim piece on these trucks. I know a lot of 6.7s have them, and some 6.4s have them, or they have like a smaller version of it. Let me know what you guys think, if you like today's mod on the truck, because I definitely do. I'm a big fan of it, and maybe in the future I can paint it or something, get it better, or put some heat to it and renew it. But this looks really good. I'm glad I did it today. Once again, this is awesome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up like always, and if you're new, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button too and stick around, because I publish a lot of videos and I do a lot of stuff to that truck, and pretty soon I'm thinking about maybe moving into some other topics too, like other trucks, so it's not just my truck every time. But if you do like 7.3s or diesel trucks in general, definitely give me that subscribe. And yeah, I just hope that I'm inspiring some people with the mods that I do on my truck. Maybe if you want to do it to your truck or something, then you can see firsthand what it looks like and what I think. So that's why I make these videos. So I'm just out there trying to help a lot of people, because I know when I first did a lot of stuff on my truck, there's some struggles and stuff, and there was not much help, especially with the dash swap or the front clip. So I just want to be out there, and with that, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.